This is just another sound check. No. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know him no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you get. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Y'all wanted me to make a burger version with the vegetable chunks? Yes, and I'm going to make this. So this is a burger using vegetable chunks. It's going to be so good. Come on, let's get started. Now, that's your veggie chunks right here. I already soaked it in warm water and it's ready to go. All I'm going to do is make sure you squeeze that water out of it and then your chunks will be ready. To this burger, I'm going to add some cauliflower, red bell pepper, green bell peppers, onion, garlic, and dried tomato. I'm also going to put some scallion to it as well. Vinegar, ginger, parsley, some crushed red pepper. I don't want it too spicy. It's a little tang of that little pepper right there. I'm going to add some traditional pasta sauce to it. And this one is just tomatoes and garlic. Oregano and thyme, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and black pepper, chili powder, and some oatmeal. We're going to get all this together. This burger is going to be massive. Let's go. This is your very first step. You want to make sure you have your vegetable nicely chopped because I'm going to be using my food processor right here. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you want to make sure so you get your knife and you cut it up as small as you can possibly get it. This is small, but not small enough the way that I want you to do it if you're not using the processor, okay?
Hold me close till I get.
Salt and black pepper goes in. Thyme and oregano goes in. Garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, some ginger, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, oats, vinegar, some coconut oil, and some of that traditional spaghetti sauce. And you want to combine all this together. Veggie chunks. I have my coconut oil in that pot. I put a little bit of EVO in it as well. You want to make sure it's nice and hot.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Look at that, guys. That is one nice burger right there. Let's see. So good. Look at that. Crispy. Tasty on the inside. Soft. So good. That's one good burger. thumbs up, like, and share. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.